Day 6, you are enough. Let me pause for a second and say that again. You are enough. It doesn't matter if you were told you were incapable, incompetent, lacked knowledge, slow, stupid, ugly, fat, thin. I want to tell you, in God's eyes, you are enough. I love writing this part in the book simply because it became a proclamation for myself that I wanted to give to the readers to remind you that you are enough, you are capable, you are valuable, you are significant. As women, there are many times that you don't hear that. So as the writer of this book, I want to tell you that you were made for more, you were made for a significant reason, you have purpose all within you, and now it's time for you to just walk it out. So ladies, just hear me as I say, you are enough.